AI isn't just changing how we work, it's deciding who gets to keep working. The biggest myth right now, that AI will take your job only if you're in a tech role. The truth is, AI doesn't replace your job. It replaces people who've stopped thinking, growing, or adding a unique value. And if that sounds like harsh truth, good, because I don't want you to be one of them. Let's break this down with data. McKinsey predicts that by 2030, up to 30% of work hours in the United States economy could be automated. A recent IBM study showed that over 40% of workers will need to reskill in the next 3 years. And you might think, I'm not in customer support or manual labor, so I'm safe, right? Nope. AI is coming for middle management, low-code developers, financial analysts, even designers. AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, and Midjourney are already doing the work of junior employees faster and cheaper. And the companies aren't waiting to experiment, they're deploying. Let's zoom out. Humans have always automated what they could. From the printing press to industrial machines to computers, the goal has always been the same: get more done with less effort. But there's a dark side here. As tools become more capable, humans are trained to disengage. We stop thinking, we stop questioning, we just follow instructions. We've built a culture of shallow work. We glorify being busy, but rarely ask, am I solving a real problem? Am I thinking deeply? In my previous role, I saw smart people become just checklist machines. They did what was assigned, nothing more, nothing less. Now AI can do that. By the way, if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. And here's a video that you can take a look to get more familiar with me and my channel. Thank you. Okay, so how do we future-proof ourselves? For sure, not with fear, with focus. Here are 4 practical upgrades that anyone can start this week. First, become AI-augmented, not AI-replaced. If you don't learn how to use AI, someone else who does will do your job twice as fast. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm, Copilot to write cleaner code, Midjourney for visuals, Notion AI for summarizing long documents. These tools are not cheats. They're the new baseline. For example, I use GPT every day to generate test cases, write cleaner commit messages, and simplify technical documents. That saves me hours per week. Next, upgrade from task doer to problem solver. Tasks are easy to automate. Problems are messy, and that's your advantage. If your mindset is tell me what to do, you're already replaceable. But if you say, here's a better way to do that, you're already creating value. Here's a challenge for you. In your next project, don't ask just what needs to be done. Ask, why are we doing this? Then suggest one improvement. The third point is invest in soft skills, especially communication. Artificial intelligence doesn't do empathy. It doesn't read the room. And for sure, it doesn't inspire teams. If you can lead, write clearly, explain complex ideas simply, you're 10x valuable than a quiet genius. Maybe start by learning frameworks like Pyramid Principle or SCQA for clear writing, or practice storytelling in meetings. And the last but not least, learn meta-learning. The ability to learn fast and apply those insights is your ultimate defense. It could be a good idea to just start a daily 15 minutes habit. Read, watch tutorials, and reflect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to learn better than most. There's a quiet divide forming at work. Those who coast on routine and those who reinvent themselves weekly. And AI is accelerating this gap. Think about the people you admire. They are not just skilled, they are curious. They keep learning. They stay relevant, and for sure, they adapt. And of course, that's a mindset, not a talent. The illiterate of the 21st century will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. By Alvin Toffler. Look, you don't need to be a genius or become an AI engineer. You just need to be a little more human, a little more curious, thoughtful, bold than the average person. The future belongs to those who think clearly, learn quickly, and care deeply. And for sure, it's not about outworking the machines. It's about outthinking them. You can either be a person that's using AI to multiply their value, or the person who replaced by someone who does. So, here's what I'd love you to do. Pick one thing in your job that's repetitive and try to automate or simplify it using AI. And then pick one skill that makes you uniquely human and commit to improving it for 10 minutes a day. Drop in the comments one AI tool that you're using and one human skill that you're upgrading. If you liked this video, please give it a like and share it with someone who needs to hear it, and please subscribe to my channel, and this way you can support me to create more content like this. And see you in the next one. Bye.